Let's discuss the customization use cases in account receivables process in SAP S/4HANA. Credit management. Customization of credit management rules and procedures is done to ensure that the correct credit checks are performed and credit limits are established for each customer. Key roles involved in this customization include credit managers, credit analysts, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining credit rules, setting up credit limit checks, and creating credit control areas. Key operations activities performed by these roles include reviewing customer credit history, setting credit limits, and monitoring credit exposure. Compliance needs include adherence to credit policies and regulations. Dunning procedures. Customization of dunning procedures is done to manage the process of sending reminders and notifications to customers who have overdue accounts. Key roles involved in this customization include dunning analysts, collections agents, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining dunning levels, setting up dunning areas, and creating dunning letters. Key operations activities performed by these roles include sending dunning letters, monitoring dunning levels, and negotiating payment plans with customers. Compliance needs include adherence to collection policies and regulations. Payment processing. Customization of payment processing procedures is done to ensure that payments are processed correctly and applied to the correct customer accounts. Key roles involved in this customization include payment processors, cash application specialists, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include configuring payment methods, setting up payment terms, and creating payment advice notes. Key operations activities performed by these roles include processing payments, reconciling bank statements, and resolving payment discrepancies. Compliance needs include adherence to payment processing policies and regulations. Statement generation. Customization of statement generation procedures is done to ensure that customer statements are generated correctly and sent to customers in a timely manner. Key roles involved in this customization include statement processors, customer service representatives, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining statement formats, setting up statement cycles, and creating statement variants. Key operations activities performed by these roles include generating statements, addressing customer inquiries, and resolving statement discrepancies. Compliance needs include adherence to statement generation policies and regulations. Interest calculation. Customization of interest calculation methods and procedures is done to calculate and record interest charges for overdue accounts. Key roles involved in this customization include accountants, credit managers, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining interest calculation rules, setting up interest calculation types, and creating interest calculation procedures. Key operations activities performed by these roles include calculating interest charges, posting interest to customer accounts, and monitoring overdue accounts. Compliance needs include adherence to interest calculation policies and regulations. Dispute management. Customization of dispute management procedures is done to manage the process of resolving disputes with customers over their accounts. Key roles involved in this customization include dispute resolution specialists, customer service representatives, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining dispute categories, setting up dispute management workflows, and creating dispute management reports. Key operations activities performed by these roles include addressing customer inquiries, investigating disputed charges, and resolving disputes. Compliance needs include adherence to dispute resolution policies and regulations. Direct debit and electronic payment processing. Customization of direct debit and electronic payment processing procedures is done to ensure that electronic payments are processed correctly and applied to the correct customer accounts. Key roles involved in this customization include payment processors, cash application specialists, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining direct debit rules, setting up electronic payment methods, and creating payment processing reports. Key operations activities performed by these roles include processing electronic payments, reconciling bank statements, and resolving payment discrepancies. Compliance needs include adherence to payment processing policies and regulations. Integration with other systems. Customization of the integration of the accounts receivable process with other systems, such as enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems, or customer relationship management (CRM) systems, is done to ensure that data flows smoothly across different systems. Key roles involved in this customization include IT administrators, system analysts, and business analysts. The main IT customization needs include configuring integration points, setting up data mapping, and creating integration workflows. Key operations activities performed by these roles include monitoring data flow, resolving integration issues, and optimizing integration performance. Compliance needs include adherence to data privacy and security regulations. Customer Master Data Management. Customization of customer master data management procedures is done to ensure that customer information is entered, updated, and maintained accurately. Key roles involved in this customization include customer service representatives, data entry clerks, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining data entry fields, setting up data validation rules, and creating data maintenance workflows. Key operations activities performed by these roles include entering and updating customer information, validating customer data, and resolving data discrepancies. Compliance needs include adherence to data privacy and security regulations. Billing and invoice management. Customization of billing and invoice management procedures is done to ensure that invoices are generated accurately and sent to customers in a timely manner. Key roles involved in this customization include billing specialists, customer service representatives, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining billing cycles, setting up billing methods, and creating invoicing workflows. Key operations activities performed by these roles include generating invoices, addressing customer inquiries, and resolving billing discrepancies. Compliance needs include adherence to billing policies and regulations. Cash application. Customization of cash application procedures is done to ensure that payments are applied to the correct customer accounts and reconciled with the customer's payment information. Key roles involved in this customization include cash application specialists, payment processors, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining cash application rules, setting up cash application methods, and creating cash application reports. Key operations activities performed by these roles include applying payments to customer accounts, reconciling bank statements, and resolving payment discrepancies. Compliance needs include adherence to payment processing policies and regulations. Revenue recognition. Customization of revenue recognition procedures is done to ensure that revenue is recognized accurately and in accordance with accounting standards and regulations. Key roles involved in this customization include accountants, revenue analysts, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining revenue recognition rules, setting up revenue recognition methods, and creating revenue recognition reports. Key operations activities performed by these roles include recording revenue, reconciling accounts, and preparing financial statements. Compliance needs include adherence to accounting standards and regulations. Customer segmentation and analysis. Customization of customer segmentation and analysis procedures is done to provide insights into customer behavior, performance, and trends. Key roles involved in this customization include marketing analysts, sales representatives, and IT administrators. The main IT customization needs include defining customer segments, setting up data analytics tools, and creating customer analytics reports. Key operations activities performed by these roles include analyzing customer data, identifying customer trends, and creating customer profiles. Compliance needs include adherence to data privacy and security regulations. Reporting and analytics. Customization of reporting and analytics procedures is done to provide real-time visibility into accounts receivable operations and performance. Key roles involved in this customization include financial analysts, IT administrators, and business analysts. The main IT customization needs include configuring reporting tools, setting up data visualization dashboards, and creating custom reports. Key operations activities performed by these roles include monitoring accounts receivable performance, identifying areas for improvement, and creating performance reports. Compliance needs include adherence to data privacy and security regulations. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs.